Guys, it's Riley here. Quick update on my stocks through both Sharesies and Hatch. So across the board, I have gone up $1,000 in just today, my 1 day gain. When I woke up this morning, I had a look at my account and I was up $1,000 or $1,051 just on the US shares. It did close a little bit lower than that at about $943 up for the US stocks. And then when the New Zealand market opened just this morning, put me back above that $1,000 threshold. Which you can see here. 1,007. So 2.67% move for just today, putting my overall shares at a performance of 47.96%, which I'm extremely happy with. If you look at my Hatch account here, we've got 90% up, which is a false number, but I did put 7,000 into this account and I've made $3,840. Sorry, $4,840 profits off of that. So a bit above 60%, I think. Not 90%. And then in my Sharesies account, around 34%. Which brings me to that total overall of about 47.95%. Yeah, this was just an update video showing you kind of that it's possible to get $1,000 in a day profit. Yesterday was a big day. Like, this is not a normal day for me, making $1,000 in just one day. But it is possible to get these kind of returns if you invest well. And yeah, so I'll go through to show you the individual day changes that kind of cause this. So as you can see, Stitch Fix, I had, actually how much money do I have in them? Here's Stitch Fix here. So I put in $600, I was up 20% as of yesterday, and now I'm up 65% as of today. So huge move there, and you can see it like right there, huge move. Most of the other moves were fairly small, as you can see in here. Everything else is Upwork had a decent move, 8.5%. Dropbox moved, it's probably still at a good buy price. Dropbox and Beyond Meat still at fairly decent buy prices, but they're kind of getting off of where I want to buy them. But I think I have about 1,500 in Beyond Meat and maybe around 2,000 US dollars in Dropbox. So those are my two good ones at the moment that I'm just bought into. Yeah, so as you can see, it's just dropped below 1,000, but yeah, it's possible to make $1,000 in a day, just for anyone who's kind of getting started and they don't really know what they're doing. It's not normal to make $1,000 in a day, but I mean, when you have green days like this, like the red days aren't as bad. So yeah, hope this gives you like a bit of hope and a bit of motivation just to get into the stock market and kind of see where you can get to. And as a point of reference, I've only been in the stock market since like late March, early April, which, yes, that was like the best time to buy, and I've looked into the market. Don't expect these kind of returns, and yeah, a lot of people have done a lot better than this in that same time frame. Like, I didn't have any education going into the stock market in March and April, so I mean, if I had education, or the people who did have that education in the stock market already, they've made 100+% gains. Like, some people have made like 300% plus gains. Tesla investors have made 1,000% gains this year. But I don't recommend putting all your money into one company. Yeah, it's possible. You can make $1,000 in a day. Good luck to everyone who's going to try. There we go, back to $1,000. Anyway, good luck with all your investing. Have a nice day. See ya.